Hi, I'm Ella.
Ella and Nathaniel.
And we came to VIITTA House to make these hoods, which are absolutely amazing. We love them. We can't believe that we've actually done them in like 2 days. When we walked in, we just thought, or at the end of yesterday, we was like, oh my gosh, we're not gonna have enough time, we're not gonna make them. But it's just like magic.
Yeah, I've had such a lovely experience here at VIITTA House. It was just unbelievable. It's like unreal what you can make out of just like knots, and it's just been an amazing experience.
Yeah, from the beginning, from walking in, and VIITTA, she's an amazing teacher. The opening circle was amazing, pulling the cards, having them there, the meditation. The whole experience is just absolutely magical and amazing, and we love it. And we will be back. Well, I will anyway, for sure.
What? She keeps saying this about me, guys. I don't want to, but I will 100% be back very soon. I just can't believe that we've made this in 2 days. It's crazy.
Thank you.
Thank you.